Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has more than 20% battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the Noise Fit or Noise app and sign in so settings sync. Once done, confirm the watch is paired. If not, follow the app pairing prompts. This links watch faces and files. Make sure location and media permissions are allowed in the phone settings, because the app needs access to transfer images and apply wallpapers seamlessly to the device. Next, navigate to the watch faces or wallpapers area inside the app and choose Custom or Upload. Tap Add Image and pick a photo from your gallery. Crop carefully, match the watch's aspect ratio, often 16:9, or the template the app shows, so important content isn't cut off. Then use the in-app editor to adjust brightness and contrast so the image remains legible on the small screen. Preview the result on the simulated watch display, and when it looks correct, tap Save. Finally, apply the wallpaper by tapping Apply or Sync. The app will transfer the image over Bluetooth to the watch. Keep the phone and watch within a few feet and wait for the confirmation message before closing the app. Once applied, wake the watch to verify positioning and readability. If text or icons overlap, re-edit and recrop. Troubleshooting tip: if the transfer fails, restart both devices, reopen the app and try again. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.